So these are a couple of our heavy-duty custom design electric powered lifting platforms that we designed for a conveyor maintenance team, primarily for their handling of rollers and wear plates for their high impact areas. The reason we designed these products was to keep product at a suitable height for handling. A big problem that they had on site was personnel bending over and having to lift heavy items. So the concept and the idea behind these products was to provide them with a customised solution which kept their items at a suitable level for lifting. So we've designed these so that anyone of any capacity can carry out the task. Part of the solution as well with the lift up table, these were powered by a hydraulic power pack, which in turn were powered by a 24-volt lithium battery system, which meant that as the items were lifted off, you're able to easily lift or lower the platform as required. Although these are made primarily for conveyor maintenance teams and handling of their rollers, the wear plates, we can see this concept being used in multiple other areas on mine sites, construction sites, where there's a requirement for keeping items at waist height. The reason we had these relocatable and powered with a battery pack is because typically in this situation with conveyor maintenance teams was the rollers and wear plates were out in a laydown yard a long way from mains power. So now that the R&D is complete and going forward, we would be able to deliver these to site from date of purchase order to delivery to site in around 6 to 8 weeks. If you want to find out any more information on these products, you can check out our website, tradesales.com.au.